Inera kedarota ki muto ade para kaisare lukoteso. Luda e woro unuterio ngoteloka Health Journalism Network Uganda. Koibuga Soroti. Dr. Wilson Etolu. Iswama Adekisna Polon Koibuga Soroti. Ngesi abalebe. Eloskinita puga na itiji Ekorona. Aloskintera itutuorona. Aikeuna tokusho. Nuaomisho nuetoli Ekorona.
Jeno nikere pota dauti karule po wotakela riebo na COVID. Nepeta ikari uni ya muke COVID dauna Adekana konye iwanyu bero kadekane jeke don doda kwana eriongetla minisela ngale okeda pugan je kona anyumbe mkane COVID Aimorikikin keda Adekasinei nuchekwa meja sitonga ke ami koto ka kolobe Dekangon o yaone temoto ka ambulance alemu njo re yangari tejo lai jo kon ande ode che muroko li mukete COVID ogita kinake ni muroko luchekwi sikota anyin bi muroko ngun kesi ngupo ngun imuke COVID imuke ariebo yada Girigori Mikaire Gunyo loseka rai LOC5 ko Soroti ko sodi aiku atwane rekeda Ekorona ngesi abalebe mamitunga ichia munotor ngesi aijar akaulai katune Ekorona.
I was admitted. To be very honest, I did not experience anything as far as COVID is concerned. I was as I am now, even now. But they were giving me injections, they were giving what? Until eventually they said, yeah, I think you are already okay now. You can go home. But in the hospital there, people will come and see me. There is one statement which somebody wrote, said, what have you done with the people of Soroti? I said, what have I done? It becomes very difficult until they tell me what I've done. They said, no, there are some people who are already dying, and others wish that I wished was Mr. Guju was dying. I said, the truth about the matter is that I'm going to die. But as of now, I am not yet what?
Delax Emialomo etemono kinani yemuto luka TV East ko raida bo barucho kinito neriongote loka hejno kote songeti abala los kiniterio ngetelo aiduka ijene na itunga kama na rakeda ngale una joka na itunga kedai ke unulu yemuto ai roto nuangaleu nuibecho kina
so iguna ya dakin kede kwatanu askapikini arata yemuto keda chwani na ikeu akira nuangaleu tetere ito jokare jana kine opere to skeza rati yemto loada chachu to jas kada choa na aine bem ikewne te kesnu tetere apedro show wa ne te bona ya onu ikisila iche to jokare kangale no ni alos kine te kasi ngesa ikew na ngale okwa
Apollo kinitone riongetelo Public Affairs Center Uganda Bensone kueo cheni ngesi abalebe ekoto apuga na ibua ikina na peta nuai stete unitunga koto matiokusho nue yanga unite Ekorona.
People are still distressed. Probably what I would also add is what some said, what should now be done to address is the government really taking formidable steps in improving the mental health care. For me, that is the comment. What is in place now?
Iche koto marota kiye muto kesi ajasi kerangi seta nuegelegela.
Doctor, I don't know, whenever you do your medical work in the hospital, whether you bother to follow the cough and the flu that is disturbing very many people in the society. Is it not connected to the very many variants of COVID?
Having looked at the presentations that you have made and possibly the aftermath effect of COVID, I really wanted to find out how our mental health unit and the facilities doing now, how many cases.
Ageune alimorere abuangunu na Ekorona koteso olapalo ikanyeta tomo na areo karuli lukumini yara kaisare itunga ilukumini wangona kwa tauni keda kaisaka nyika nyauni kesi Adekasi ilukumini yare akwata kanyapito munauni kesi adolitere wardin akwata takaisa unidiope idue apotu ikatutu Adekana kosodi akwata rei kanyauni atwakata kanuka TV East Abraham Lapu